Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a RAM upgrade that could breathe new life into your Dell Inspiron laptop. Specifically, we're looking at the OWC 8GB DDR4 3200MHz SATA memory module. If you're rocking a Dell Inspiron 153501, 3511, 3520, 3525, or even a newer 3530, this might be the upgrade you've been searching for. Now, why RAM? Well, it's often the unsung hero of performance. When your laptop starts feeling sluggish, especially when multitasking or running demanding applications, RAM is often the bottleneck. This OWC module boasts 8GB of DDR4 memory, running at a speedy 3200 MHz. That's a significant step up from slower, stock RAM that might be holding your system back. The PC4-25600 designation simply tells us about the bandwidth. It can transfer data at a rate of up to 25.6 GB per second. The CL22 latency is also worth noting. While lower latency is generally better, the 3200 MHz speed helps to offset this, providing a good balance of speed and responsiveness. This is a 260-pin SATA, which is a standard form factor for laptop memory. It's also non-ECC, meaning it doesn't have error correction. For most everyday users, this isn't a concern. ECC memory is typically used in servers and workstations where data integrity is paramount. Installation is generally straightforward. Consult your Dell Inspiron's manual for specific instructions on accessing the RAM slots. Remember to always power down your laptop and disconnect the battery before making any hardware changes. Static electricity can damage components, so take necessary precautions. The 1.2V operating voltage is also a plus. It's the standard voltage for DDR4 SATAs, ensuring compatibility and efficient power consumption, which can help extend battery life. But does it make a difference? Absolutely. Upgrading to 8GB of RAM, especially if you're coming from 4GB, can drastically improve multitasking performance. You'll notice snappier application loading times, smoother web browsing, and an overall more responsive system. Even if you already have 8GB, upgrading to a faster 3200 MHz module can provide a noticeable boost. OWC is a reputable brand known for its quality memory products, and this DDR4 module appears to be no exception. It's a reliable and cost-effective way to enhance the performance of your Dell Inspiron laptop. If you're looking for a simple upgrade that can make a real difference, the OWC 8GB DDR4 3200 MHz SATA is definitely worth considering. Just be sure to check your laptop's compatibility before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.